Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to refer a friend on Talabat. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Talabat application, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you download the Talabat app? You can get Talabat on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Talabat and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Talabat. So now to really quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to refer a friend on Talabat. Prior to now, there used to be an option for you to refer friends and earn, but as that July 2024, Talabat do not have that feature anymore. So from this homepage, head over to the bottom of your screen, you have home, search, others, and accounts. Now go ahead and click on accounts. Now it takes you here where you have rewards, your dash, Talabat Pay, vouchers, Talabat Pro, get help, and about app. Now go ahead and click on rewards and you see all the tasks that you need to take for you to earn setting rewards and setting credit from Talabat. And they include entering the raffle to win amazing prizes and of course buying products. And the more you order, the more points you earn. So the more you order, the more points you earn. And once you earn points, you can head over here to order any of these things using the points that you have. So apart from ordering and earning, there is no way to refer a friend to win a reward on Talabat. There is no way for you to do that as of July. So you can go about the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.